Hi, this is Mark at Ding Dong's Garden. This is Seneca Plum. Seneca Plum is a big, beautiful European plum. You can see how large it is compared to something like, imperial epineuse or Italian prune plum, which are also freestone plums that you can easily dehydrate into prunes. The Seneca is a little bit larger, and it's very pretty. And it's got a bloom on it like most plums, and that bloom is just a covering that helps keep the water off of it if it rains. Well, let's go ahead and take a bite. That's a great tasting plum. It's mild. We're not into like crazy ripe stage where it tastes like it's almost fermenting, but we're pretty close. And you can see the stone or the seed in this plum. It's freestone, which means it pops right out. And the reason that's useful, and I'll show a clip from the imperial epineuse we did earlier, that allows you to easily cut open the plum, cut it into halves, put it in a dehydrator, and make great prunes. A lot of other plums are not clingstone, and what comes to mind are the Asian plums like Shiro or Methley. They're very sweet, but because the stone clings to the interior of the plum, it's a little more difficult to dehydrate them because you got to work on separating the flesh from the stone itself. This is Seneca Plum, an excellent early season plum for processing, for eating straight off the tree, or for dehydrating into prunes.